Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a Chanel mini rectangular unboxing. So if you think that you'll be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. So I purchased this bag for my 25th birthday, which was on Christmas, and oh my gosh, I've been obsessing over a rectangular mini for so long. I really, like, my dream bag would have been to get the medium, but I cannot spend like $10,000 on a bag, like maybe as a gift. But yeah, at least not right now. You know, I'm new in my career and stuff like that. You know, maybe even a couple more promotions. But yeah, so I purchased this bag from the actually new Chanel design district. So the essay that helped me, she actually is my grandmother's essay. My grandma purchased her first bag from the Chanel at Coral Gables inside the Neiman Marcus. So I was like in contact with her. I told her that I wanted to get the mini. I was interested in it. And actually, like, the next day when we came back from Miami, another associate texted me and she said, hey, we actually have this bag if you want it. And like, just during that time, I just was like, I don't know. Like, I just was not ready to pay the price. And honestly, I wish I would have, because that was before the price increase. So I wish I would have just got it. But you know, everything happens for a reason. So yeah, and then I reached out in December and I told her, like, hey, I'm going to be turning 25. I really would like to get myself, you know, my first Chanel bag. Like, please let me know if you get a mini. She's going to be, you know, at the new design district store. And I was like, oh my God, yay. And, you know, of course, I'm sure they were going to be getting a lot of new, like, items and things like that. So I was like, okay, like, please, you know, I want to be on the list. Please save one for me. And then literally, like, the same day that they opened, I like purchased my bag. I told her, hey, I'm ready to order. Like, I did the order, and then it came, like, I think I purchased on Thursday and it came on Monday. So it came pretty quick. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys. I was gonna do the whole try to mimic the unboxing, but you guys, I don't know how to tie a ribbon. Like, I just suck at wrapping. Like, you should see my Christmas wrapping. It's terrible. But anyways, it did come with the Chanel ribbon, and then of course the flower. And then this came with the receipt and everything. And then, like I said, I got it for the last increase. So it was $4,400. And then, you know, the total price I paid was $4,752. Oh my God, I've never spent this much on a bag. But, you know, I've been wanting this. So it comes in the black Chanel box, and then you open it up. I did wear it on my birthday. Well, I wore it Christmas Eve. I went out to dinner. My birthday's on Christmas, and, you know, basically nothing's open, so I went to dinner. And I did do a TikTok unboxing. I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can see. But, yeah, this is the Chanel wrapping, of course. And then, as you can see, it comes in the black bag. And then this is just, I guess, the care package. I honestly haven't even opened this. But yeah. And then, here we are. Here she is. I literally wore this, like I said, to dinner. And I didn't even take the wrapping off, but it's starting to come off. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Here she is. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely nervous about getting the lambskin, but unfortunately the mini only comes in lambskin. That's why, like, I really wanted to get a classic, but like, I have to wait a little bit longer so I can get a classic. So that's okay. But yeah, the lambskin, honestly, it feels really similar to my Gucci Marmont bag. I think that one might be lambskin too. And honestly, like, it doesn't really have that many scratches on it. I wear it a lot. Like, I haven't really had any issues with it. So, you know, hopefully that this wears the same. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so pretty. I was contemplating it if I should get black, because I'm not gonna lie, like, pretty much like 75% of my bags are black, and I just was like, do I really want to get another black bag? Like, I really did not need another black bag with gold hardware, because I already have my YSL one, and then I also have the Gucci one. But I was like, you know what, like, I would rather just go really classic. I know I literally always wear black just pretty much every day. Like, I know I'm not gonna go wrong. So I was like, for my first bag, why not just stick with black, you know, a classic color. So yeah, and then here is the little paper that they give you, I guess. So, and this is really, really long. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I have to kind of shorten the straps to wear a crossbody because it is pretty long and I'm 5'2". So yeah, but I just use like a ribbon and that's how I shorten it. And yeah, I had got an organizer and I got this from Etsy. Of course, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys, but I just kind of wanted like the maroon to match, but the inside is actually black, so it doesn't really matter. But I know the classics have like the maroon, so that's what I did. So if you don't know, the new Chanel bags come with the chip. So it just has the chip right here, you know, so they can authenticate it. And then it has like a zipper compartment right here, and also like a little compartment right here. I just still have the paper on it. And yeah, oh my god, I literally still have the stickers on the zipper. I just have to still have stickers on everything. I just wore it just to dinner and then I put it right back in the box. So but yeah, honestly, I'm probably not gonna use the zipper that much just because, you know, probably just keep everything in here. I actually have the iPhone Pro Max and I was a little bit nervous because I was like, I got this as a Christmas present, so obviously like my mom got it for me for Christmas, and she you know, she didn't know that I got this bag yet. I didn't fit, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, it does fit in here. I was really nervous. I was like, oh my god, like this phone is so big, but it fits. And yeah, and then of course it has a Mona Lisa back pocket. Honestly, I'm probably not gonna put anything in here just because I don't want to stretch it out or anything. So yeah, it's just so cute. And I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. This is a bag that I've been carrying like as my everyday bag. I know that obviously I'm not gonna be able to fit everything because this is a lot bigger. This is a medium Kate bag. But yeah, let's just see like how much I can really fit. Like I said, my phone does fit. I think if I didn't have this organizer, even more stuff would fit, but I really want to protect the interior, so I'm going to keep the organizer. I have my keys in my garage opener. I know I'm not going to be able to carry that much, honestly, just because my phone. Honestly, I'll probably just have to like carry my phone in my hand, which I don't really mind that at all. And then I just have a lip balm. This is the Chanel lip balm. And then let's see if my AirPods fit. This is a pretty bulky AirPod case, so. Oh, okay, it actually fits. Okay, so this is how it looks with everything in here. I mean, I kind of expected that this bag isn't going to fit that much because it is a mini bag, but I don't really carry that much anyway, so that's not really a problem for me. But it fits the essentials, so that's what really matters the most. Whenever I just want to change the length, I just tie a ribbon over it. Can get like a little like buckle or something, I don't really know what it's called, like a little clip or buckle to put right here between the two metals, and it will keep it together. But I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want it to like scrape on the leather and like scratch, so I might just do the ribbon because I feel like, you know, it's the most, you know, non-damaging, I feel like. So yeah, and then I just tie it like this and just and then put the ribbon. Like I said, I wouldn't use this long piece of ribbon. This is like obnoxiously really long, but so yeah, I would just tie them together, and then yeah, they're like shorter. So I am gonna do some wash shots for you guys so you guys can see. I am 5'2" and I weigh about like 105 pounds, just so you can see how it looks on my body type if you have a similar body type. Watching my little Chanel embossing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, wanna fuck 12 fuck SWAT. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, wanna fuck 12 fuck SWAT.